I wanted to show you a new tool that I have been using that has been absolutely amazing for my large Zoom sessions. I really enjoyed this new tool called Whiteboard.fi. And so I'm going to show you just quickly a quick video on how I use it and some of the neat tools that are within it. It could totally be used in person or be used remotely as well. Once you log in and you've created an account, this will be the first page that you see. You go to the teacher dashboard. And then once you're in the teacher dashboard, you will see an option to create a new room. And you click on create new room. And I haven't tried a permanent room yet. You can only do a permanent room with a premium subscription. But I've just been doing a temporary room, which has been really helpful for when I do like my class Zoom sessions. And so then I just create a temporary room. And what's going to happen is you're going to have another page that pops up, and there's going to be this option right here that says toggle my whiteboard. And then there's also a link or a QR code. And so what I do is I just copy this to my clipboard. And once that's copied, it says URL copied to clipboard. I go into my GoGuardian session. And if you haven't checked out the GoGuardian option for pushing out tabs, the video, be sure and check that one out as well. But I just push this tab out to all of my students and I say open new tab, and then I paste that URL to my GoGuardian. And in just a moment, you're going to all of a sudden see all my kiddos who are logging in. You're going to see their names popping up. So now that my kids are starting to go in, I can see their names and I can search for students depending on like how large my class is. But what I want to do today is I want to work on math. It's really cool because you can add pictures into this whiteboard. You can, there's so many different options, music, emojis, grids, but I'm just going to keep it kind of basic today. And I am going to show you what it looks like to kind of push out one of those math problems. So I have that. I've created this whiteboard for them. And now I can come right up here to this push button and I can click push to students' pages. And it says pushing whiteboard, please wait. Roll down here. All of a sudden, I'm going to see all of my students getting that whiteboard that I pushed out to them. And it's nice. What I like about this versus Jamboard is that I can see my students' whiteboards as like a snapshot. And so I can see them working through it. And then the other thing that I can do is I can open up, like if I was to go to a student's, and I can give them likes, I can give them a quick a heart, and then I could write comments, I could view feedback history, and I can even enter the student's live session to work along with them through the problem that we're working on. And some of the actions that you can do is you can erase the whiteboard, you can save the whiteboard as an image, copy to teacher whiteboard. So if I wanted to put what he's working on up to the top of my screen, that's an option. So here we can see that the student is working through the different fact families. And if I wanted to, I could open it up and give him feedback. And then if you wanted to end all the sessions, you can, so you can clear all the students' whiteboards. You can save them as PDF for later. You can invite a co-teacher, and you can close this room. So once you're done, you can end this session. There's lots of different options. Such a cool program on the premium option. There is the free one, but when you are doing the free version, you can't like give likes or hearts, and you can't enter live student live sessions, but you can push out the whiteboards to the students to work on. Let me know if you guys have any questions. I don't have the answer, but I will try my best to figure it out because I'm still learning this program as well. And if you guys have any cool tips, be sure and create a screencastify and share it with the website team. All right, guys, have a wonderful day, and I hope that this is helpful.